Bitcoin money most certainly is a mid-position digital currency right now valued at $256.45 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $5,029,718,213, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Over the especially past most certainly couple of years, digital forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and by and large are currently being exchanged comparable to conventional resources like stocks, products, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. A few institutional financial backers even for the most part consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy. Retail financial backers and merchants certainly are in every practical sense keen on digital currencies all things considered, for example, BCH on the grounds that this generally is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources truly have the genuinely potential for 100x to 1000x increases in a somewhat most certainly brief timeframe in a huge manner. These profits especially are in every way that really matters, out of reach in genuinely different business sectors, which especially is the motivation behind why most fundamentally moderate financial backers in a real sense are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with digital currencies like Bitcoin money. While the groundbreaking ones basically dedicate a huge piece of their essentially cash flow to this quickly creating resource class in an unpretentious manner. At this really specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $256.45, where it as of now sits, which is very huge. As currently referenced, BCH certainly is a mid-position cryptographic money since it by and by possesses the 23rd spot in worldwide digital currency rankings, the sort of metric that not entirely set in stone, by duplicating the by and large current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource. Showing how Bitcoin money truly is a mid-position digital money as of now valued at $256.45 that has a place with the class of mineable coins, with a market capitalization of $5,029,718,213 in a truly significant manner. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization sort of stands at $5,029,718,213. The significance of this boundary will be fundamentally made sense of later, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Our cost expectation calculation in every practical sense is planned in sort of such a way that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to for the most part give our endorsers the most reliable data on the very present status of the market and unpretentious manner. Our calculation additionally really focuses on authentic information, which truly is somewhat essential for the by and large right assessment of both extremely current and expected market structure and the evaluation of its present and future course, or so they in every practical sense thought. Underneath you will generally find really key extracts of this verifiable information with the goal that you also could truly have a comprehension of where the Bitcoin money market by and large is going in a fundamentally significant manner. Yesterday, on January 12, BCH generally was esteemed at $276.77 at the turn of the two exchanging meetings. All things considered, recollect that cryptographic forms of money really are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m. in a for the most part significant manner. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period really added up to 9.81% in a truly significant manner. 7 days prior, on January 6, Bitcoin money most certainly was exchanged at $239.42 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that explicitly near its most certainly present situation in an unpretentious manner. On December 13, which basically was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $235.59, the cost level that is at the distance of 8.85% from where it right now stands, exhibiting how at this kind of specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $256.45 where it presently sits, or so they generally thought. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost forecasts, or so they certainly thought. Market capitalization in a real sense is another significant pretty metric that in a real sense assists traders with in a real sense deciding the ubiquity of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities in a significant manner. It's additionally used to evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money in a real sense holds inside the sort of whole digital currency market, or so they generally thought. The equation for the computation of market capitalization by and large is fairly basic. The flowing stockpile of the money being referred to for the most part is duplicated by its really current cost, which for the most part is very critical. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH truly remains at $5,029,718,213, enough to name it the 23rd outright biggest coin on the digital currency market, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Yesterday, on January 12, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money sort of remained at $5,427,892,945, exhibiting that as of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH sort of stands at $5,029,718,213, enough to name it the 23rd most certainly the biggest coin on the digital currency market, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. 7 days prior, on January 6, the capitalization of BCH certainly was $4,609. Most cryptographic money financial backers sort of stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a genuinely certain digital currency and its capacity to endure disturbances which explicitly are the by and large normal event on this exceptionally unstable market in a significant manner. The really most extreme inventory of Bitcoin money especially is 21,000,000 BCH. The genuinely absolute stock of BCH at present basically remains at 19,612,781 coins, so at this by and large specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $256.45 where it right now sits, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. The flowing stockpile of the cryptographic money under survey generally is 19,612,781 BCH, showing how our cost expectation calculation generally is planned in kind of such a manner that it consistently screens both the value, the position, and the market capitalization of the computerized resource being referred to sort of furnish our supporters with the most dependable data on the essentially present status of the market and future possibilities, permits the beneficiaries to satisfactorily for the most part evaluate the condition of their portfolio and especially choose whether or not it by and large necessities to in every practical sense be reconfigured. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't generally be fundamentally finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the genuinely metric utilized by essentially all digital currency dealers to affirm the strength of the pattern and the suitability of a market move in a very huge manner. For example, assuming that the breakout to the potential gain in a real sense is happening on the rear of the sort of low exchanging volume, there especially is an extremely high likelihood that this move explicitly is impractical and would generally bring about a bullish snare. Which certainly shows that the equation for the estimation of market capitalization explicitly is fairly straightforward. The coursing supply of the money being referred to fundamentally is duplicated by its essential